Testing 1, testing 2. Why, hello, my friendos. How are y'all doing today? This is the one and only, and yours truly, and Scizor3000 welcomes you. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, guys. You guys are awesome to me, so I'm trying my very best to bring y'all the most highest quality of a video that I can, guys, especially with this team right here, because I really like this team. And this team is like really awesome, guys. Utilizing the Swift Swim, Choice Band, Sea King at the top, Choice Scarf, Escadrille, guys. The Water Absorb, Assault Vest, Lapras, Neutralizing Gas, Weezing, Drizzle, Pelipper, and the Life Orb. There's Scooter, guys. Alright, guys, let's see if we can get some wins today. Yeah. In the building. Alright, guys, please like and please subscribe, guys. Please like and please subscribe. We're going to do 2 battles today, guys. We're going to see if we can get us 2 wins today. Matterpod. Please like, guys, and please subscribe. Guys, if you use this team, guys, please, guys, write in the comment section below. Let me know. Let us know. How did the team do for you? Did you get a win with the team? Did you get a loss? Your first time using this team, guys. Alright, that Duraludon, guys. You know what? I'm sending the Escadrille out first. Oh my god. And I'm going with the Bear Scooter, guys. I'll put the Pelipper in the background right here. We're gonna bring the Weezing, guys. Let's see if we can get us a victory today. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, he does not leave. With the Duraludon. Alright, guys, I've seen this combo before, guys. It's Prankster Trick Room. Dang it. I saw the Weezing. It's too late now. Only thing I can do, guys, hopefully I can get a flinch. I'm gonna swap into the Weezing to shut that Prankster down. The only thing I can do, I can hope I can get a flinch, guys. If I can get a flinch, we're in the building. We're in the building, guys, if we can get a flinch. We need a flinch, guys. All we need is a flinch. Neutralizing Gas is Prankster. He's going to Dynamax. So had a ring, which I'm fine with that because he's going to use Max Guard. I've seen this strategy 1,000 times before. Alright, guys, we need a flinch, guys. We need a flinch. Then it's a Dynamax one, too, so this is very bad. We're not going to be able to one-shot that thing either. We need a flinch, guys. We need a flinch to set that Trick Room down. Alright, guys. Come on. Give us a flinch. Give us a flinch. That's the focus says. Come on. We need a flinch. We need a flinch. We need a flinch. We need a flinch. Oh, the copycat. Alright, we did not get the flinch. Wait a minute. It used copycat to copycat my Iron Head. Alright. I could go for Max Guard, guys, and I think, honestly, that's what I'm going to do. Because I think he's going to try to attack my Weezing. Who do you switch him to? Duraludon. Okay, that's bad. I guess Copycat most Copycat's a random person, I guess. Unless you thought I was gonna use a ground move. I do go for the max guard, guys. I want the Where's Dynamax turn up. And that's what I did. Very good. Alright guys, I feel like they're gonna double into my Weezing on the next turn. Who do I got in the back? Okay, I do got Pelipper and Barraskewda in the back, so I'm feeling pretty confident. So I'm gonna go for the Iron Head here. And I'm gonna go for the next Ooze here. We might lose our Weezing on this turn, guys, but if we do, I'm not too worried because we got Pelipper and Barraskewda in the back. Oh, that took a while out. Can we take it out? I doubt it, but can we take it out? Can we take it out? And we don't. So bulky. My special attack goes up, but what's the attack of him attacking Scizor? Max Darkness. He does attack Scizor. Alright guys, our Scizor goes down. And our special defense goes down as well. And he's Life Orb. I'm gonna get a little bit of our health back with the Black Sludge, guys. Alright, I'm gonna send Barraskewda out, guys. I think we should be able to take the Duraludon out with a close combat. With Life Orb, close combat. Non-stab. The only thing we can do is use Protect or Trick Room. I'm pretty sure he probably got Protect. I'm gonna go for the close combat right there. I'm pretty sure the close combat should take him out, guys. And I'm just gonna get another special attack, please. He just drew the Hatterene. Arena, very good. Good choice, guys, we made. Can we one-shot that Duraludon, and that Duraludon is out of there. Okay, in the building, let's go. Once again, guys, please like and please subscribe, guys. Please like and please subscribe. This is the one and only Scizor3000, and Scizor3000 welcomes you. The Max Ooze with a +1 special attack boost, and he goes out of there. Guys, we actually dominated this match, guys. We actually dominated this match. Guys, if you use this rental team, guys, please write in the comment section below and let us know, how did this rental team do for you? Did it win your first battle? Did it win your second battle? Did it lose your first battle? Did it lose back-to-back for you? Win or lose, guys, this team is pretty awesome. Alright guys, I'm going straight for the liquidation right here, and I think we should win this battle. The battle was canceled, guys. The battle was canceled. Guys, we win. Very good, guys. That was actually an awesome battle. Let's check his team out, guys. We shut that Trick Room down. Special attack and physical defense. Awesome. He did have Trick Room. Special attack and physical defense. Awesome. I love builds like that, guys. Dragapult had a black belt. Focus Sash. I know that strategy. Rain Dance Copycat. Awesome. I didn't mean to go all the way back, but let's see if we can get us another win today, guys. That battle was awesome. Boom, boom. Alright, guys. Let's see if we can get us another win today. Boom, boom, boom. Guys, please like and please subscribe, guys. Alright, guys, we're finding a point here. Alright, I think we should be straight. I think we should be able to win this match. That's just a Weezing, Barraskewda. Pelipper and the C-Team, guys. I was kind of debating that I want to bring the Scizor or not, but I think he should be pretty good. I think he should be okay. Alright guys, let's see if we can get us another win today. Alright guys, if my calculations are correct, I think we should be able to win. Alright, I did prognosticate, or should I say, I'm sorry, I did predict he was going to bring that Boommm out there. Now this is the thing, I don't know if he's gonna Dynamax that Boommm or not. I could have played it safe, but I don't want to take no chance, guys. As long as you don't Dynamax that Snorlax, we should be good. The only way I can one-shot this Boommm is if I Dynamax him out. I got to do it. I'm pretty sure he's not going to be expecting me to Dynamax on the first time. Either. Boom, boom, boom. Scizor3000, welcome you. Awesome, guys. He did not Dynamax the Boommm. He's out of there. Very good. Snorlax is out of there, guys. Look like we made the right call. And the Boommm goes, he should goes down, guys, he should. And the Boommm is, he's not out of there. Okay, he does not go down. Well, we get a special attack, dude, so we know it's going to be down the next turn. What is it going to say? Light Screen or Reflect or Thunder Wave? Good thing. Light Screen. Okay, we can deal with that, guys. I can deal with the light play, light screen. That's the Scizor. Now the thing is, who's Scizor gonna attack? Is he gonna attack the Weezing or is he gonna attack the Barraskewda? If he's smart, he will attack the Barraskewda. If he's smart. Because if he don't attack the Barraskewda, it's GG for him. Liquidation takes away more than half. Like 95%. Very good. That's Stab with Life Orb. And he attacked the Weezing. Alright guys, it's pretty much over for him. Weezing should survive because we're really bulky. And our Weezing takes down this Boommm, guys. And we set up the Misty Terrain just in case if he has Dragapult in the background. Alright guys, we're pretty much dominating this match right here. We get a little bit of our energy back, guys, with the Black Sludge in the building. And the Conkeldurr in the background, okay. Alright, if this thing used Focus Sash, Mach Punch on me. It shouldn't kill me though, but my defense He canceled. He quit. He quit. He didn't give me a chance to finish. Guys, please like, please subscribe, guys. Once again, my name is Scizor3000. This is my first official reign team, guys. Much appreciated to everyone that's showing love and support. Please try the team, guys. Please try the team. Let's check his team out. The Snorlax right there. Kind of a normal build. Dragapult with the Life Orb in the background. With the Grimmsnarl has special defense and max HP. The Scizor with the coating of Salt Jet. Okay. The Scizor. Here we do the boots. Max HP, max attack. He don't have the right nature on the Scizor though. Gigantamax. You need to get a mix. And this concludes our video of today, guys. Guys, once again, guys, please like, please subscribe. My name is Scizor3000, and Scizor3000 welcomes you, everybody. Once again, like I said, if you try this team, guys, please write in the comment section below. Let us know how the team did for you guys. The team's awesome. The team's beautiful. It's not the best team in the world. We have some flaws, guys. But much appreciated. Please like, please subscribe. Peace.